Hi, my name's Marie. My team call me Charlie. I'm the president of Bribie Pink Dragons. Bribie Pink Dragons was the original breast cancer survivor club formed on the island. We're 18 this year. We have paddlers from the age of 92 to 41 as our youngest survivor at the moment. Joycey Thomas is our oldest paddler at 92. She's the oldest breast cancer surviving paddler in Australia, and we think possibly even the world, so we're very proud of her. She's a bit of a local celebrity. We paddle 3 times a week on the beautiful Sandstone Passage. We are breast cancer survivors, but we have supporters and friends paddle with us. We encourage anyone who's had a diagnosis of breast cancer to join us. And make sure, please, that you have your mammograms, because without mine, I wouldn't be here today. Mammograms save lives. If you're interested, our Facebook page is Dragons Bribie Island. Come and paddle, you'll love it.